I hope you all are best and fine. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, all the students. Already we are discussed in our first lesson. That is only reflection of light at curved surfaces. Now this is the second part of our light. That is only what refraction of light at curved surfaces. Already in your ninth class you already discussed about our refraction of light at plane surfaces. Once today just we recall that what is the refraction of light at curved surfaces. Yes, sorry, plane surfaces. Okay, got it. I hope you got it all. Uh, everyone is have the clear voice is clear and my picture is clear or not? Yeah. Uh, you know very well about reflection. The reflection is one of the phenomena of light which is bouncing back. But the refraction is not like that. Refraction is nothing but refraction is one of the phenomena when the light is passes through the two medias, not the one media, two medias. Light is passes through the two medias. When the light is passes through the two medias, the light is changes its path. That is only called what actually refraction. Got it or not, all the students? The light is a changes its a path. Light is a changes its a path when it is enter from one medium to the another medium, one medium to the another medium. Yes, you know very well about this. When the light is passes through the yes one medium to the another medium, what is the main change actually? Why? Because the light is refracted. Means what? Why? Because the light is changes its a path. Because of what actually? Because of velocity changes. Because of velocity changes only. That's why only first we have to know what is the velocity of light. What is the velocity of light? Velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Got it or not? But where it is at vacuum, not at all the substances. It is at vacuum only. The light is enter from one medium to the another medium. Yes, light changes its path because of velocity changes. You know very well about this. Yes, and here May tomorrow and after tomorrow, so number of experiments are there, but today we are going with only just definitions and as well as why it is a changes, and 90 class components once again we recall now here. Okay, here everyone is, you are aware about the 90. Yeah, I hope you are everyone, you have it here. That is what it is. Refraction of light is totally, first the phenomena of velocity of light is a changes. Velocity of light is, yes, velocity of light is what? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And here, yeah, happy birthday to Rishika. Uh, Here there is whatever light component is there, compulsory when it is a possible to refraction, yeah, the light is enter from one medium to the another medium. Why there is a one medium to another medium light is a changes its a path? Yeah, because of what actually? Because medium to medium there is a property is a varied. Medium to medium the property is a varied. Arrangement of molecules is also varied. Because of that only there is a light is changes its a velocity. Suppose you know very well, there is a, when you take air is a contained, you know very well, all the matters are classified into how many types? The matters are classified into three types. Matters are classified into how many types? Three types. One is a solid, another one is a liquid, another one is a gas. You know very well about this. Solid, liquid, and as well as the gas. When you take a solid, the solid is a contain very nearer with one another. Particles are very nearer with one another. Got my point or not, all the students? Particles are very, very nearer with one another. And when you take a gases, yes, there is a far from one another. And as well as when you take a liquid, the meanwhile, when the light is enter, when the light is enter from one particular source, when it is a fall on the media, every obstacle, nothing but there is a what again we are know very well, there is a transparent media, transient media, and as well as the, yes, obstacle media. In case it is obstacle, it is a refraction. And as well as there is a, when it is a fall on, what you understood from that, there is a, when there is a vacuum is there, at that time only the light is propagated with the 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. What is the velocity? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It is a vacuum, the light velocity in a vacuum, not in a, not in a substance, actually not in a any particular thing. Okay, here why it is like that? There is a no opposing thing or no disturbances are coming in the path of a light ray. That's why only the light is propagated, it's with the what, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. In case in the path of light anything, nothing but any substance may comes, otherwise any particle may comes, automatically what is going on? Yeah, there is a light path is changes. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Okay, that is only we are first concept is that one. Then what is the reflection, refraction? Yes, I hope you understood. Because of the arrangement of a molecules in the substances, you know very well. There is a what actually, solid is a different from liquid, is a different from gases. So automatically there is a whatever the substance nature it will be there. Yes, that is affected the light path. That is clear or not? Yeah, I hope it is a clear. Clear or not all this? That is our substance nature is a changes the light propagation or not? Yeah, light compulsory changes its a propagation due to what? Due to due to property of substances. What the property? Mainly molecule arrangement or particle arrangement inside of the atom. When it is a denser media, automatically more there is a what will we get for us? The rarer media, less density is there, less number of molecules are available in the space. Then automatically what is going on? There is a less disturbances are going on. Clear or not, all the students? Less disturbances are going on. Because of it, there is a light is changes its nature in the way of velocity, in the way of propagation. I hope you got it. There is a what is the relation is there between substances to substances, and as well as the properties of a substances. Mainly main property which is gives the diffraction for us, that is only density of particles. How the density of particles are changes our light path, we discuss later. Yeah, that is only already I have discussed. One of our student or may ask the why does refraction takes place, sir? That is only I am given that information. Suppose when there is a vacuum is there, in the vacuum light propagation, light velocity is not changes. Why? Because it is not changes. Why? Because the vacuum is a uniform thing. It will be not contain any type of a substance. There is a no disturbance is a coming for our light ray. Got it or not? There is no disturbance for our light ray. That's why only the light ray is a not changes, it's a path. I hope you got it. Light ray is not changes, it's a path. Light ray is propagated through the media. Light ray is propagated through the vacuum. But when there is a media is a come in the vacuum, media is interfere in the vacuum, automatically there is a number of molecules are added. Simply, already I am given this information. Suppose at the evening session, or a morning session, there is a without the traffic, the road is there. How our bike speed, how our vehicle speed, there is a no there is a straight path will be there. No one may comes on that particular road. There is our velocity is increases or not. Our velocity is going like that only. Okay, got it or not? And here, in case in the path of light, in the path of that road at evening session, at what? At evening session, in our Hyderabad roads especially, evening session, what is going on? Number of particles are there, number of vehicles are there. That's why automatically our velocity is decreases. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And here automatically when we are takes here is somewhat afternoon session or otherwise somewhat late night session, somewhat vehicles are only there. The velocity somewhat meanwhile between the morning and evening traffic. Got it or not? Like that only. Yes, there is a no morning session is nothing but it is a vacuum. No one is there. That's why easily we propagate it. There is about at the evening session nothing but somewhat particles are there. More number of particles are there. That's why only so many obstacle things are there. That's why we want to changes our path. Okay, during the traffic, how we are going like this, we are going or not. In that way only our light is also moving. Yes, as when it is a vacuum, there is a no change in its path. When it is a media, there is a changes its path. Got it? The next to come to next part. What is the definition of the refraction? Yeah, the exact definition of the refraction, this one only. Be concentrate on this. When the light is come from light source and it is enter from one medium to the another medium, the velocity of light is a changes. It is leads to change of path of light. Change of path of light occurs. This is the called refraction of light. Okay, clear or not all of in which way changes, that is the depending on the media. You know very well about this. Once again I'll repeat it. When the light is enter from one, the light is changes here, the path of the light is changes, the original path of the light is changes. This is only about the what actually, this is only the about a refraction. Got it? Now once I'm going with the what whatever our refraction property it is. Listen carefully. I hope you got it. It is the paper. Now refraction nothing but, suppose the light is a, this is the what actually, this is the one media, this is the one media, this is the another media, this is the air, this is the somewhat denser media, this is the air we are consider, this is somewhat we are taken as a water. Okay, you know very well. Air is a contain approximately the light velocity is a what actually, the velocity of light is in the air 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second only. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second only. Got it or not? Why in the air there is no molecule? Actually exactly not, it is approximation only. Okay, now that is it is may contain 2.9 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second only, 2.99. Okay, not exactly 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Yeah, when the light ray enter from air and then it is, why? Because there is compulsory what we required, it is also transparent media only. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is also transparent media only. Automatically light bending towards the what actually, light bending towards the normal. Okay, why? Because this is velocity 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. Automatically when it is enter into the water, yes, when it is enter into the water, the velocity of light is decreases, that is may not 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, it is a decreases. Okay, clear or not all the students? It value is a decreases. And here mainly these all the things are they are explained by the which law? Fresnel's law. By using which law we have to explain these all the things? Yes, Fresnel's law. What is the Fresnel's law? What is the Fresnel's law? What is the Fresnel's law? Anyone? Fresnel principle of light. Not Snell law, Fresnel's law. What is the Fresnel's law? No one is have idea. Yeah, always the light particle, light ray want to select the what? Which path? Less time to travel path, less time traveling path only selected between any 2 points. In the ninth class it is there. Yes, and as well as there is a fundamental formula for the light ray. It is, yes, light always choose which type of path? Light always choose the, yes, easy path to travel. And which one easy? In which way easy? Yes, light always take a easy path to travel. Yes, for take a less time, for a less time. Yes, that is only final formula. Otherwise, the Fermat principle. Okay, light always selected with path. Light always selected. Yes, which one, Nana? Lowest time taken path only. Lowest time taken path, nothing but what actually is not a less distance. Not a less distance. Lowest time taken path. Okay, suppose the light want every time wanted to go with the water. Suppose air is there, water is there. The path. Got it or not? Yes, light always selected which path? Water path only. In the water also, there is somewhat density layer is there, somewhat rarer layer is there. Light selected which layer? Density layer only. Okay, in this way only the light is based on this Fermat principle. The light always selected which path? Lowest to time taken path only taken. Okay, clear or not of? When you will get the lowest time taken, already we are know very well. Yeah, which path? Suppose we want to start from our school to home at that day. There is a less time is there for you for attending the assembly. Which path you have to select? Low traffic path you have to select. Clear or not, all of you? In the high traffic means what? Automatically it is a become late. Yes, and it become more late when in case selected. Yes, more traffic path. That's why we selected with path low traffic path. In this way only the light is changes. Also, it's a path. Clear or not, all of you? Yes, because of that, when we reaches our destiny, when we reaches our destiny within the low time means nothing but less time, when our velocity is a greater, we are reaches in the less time. Okay, that's why only the velocity changes and as well as the density changes. These all are yes gives the effect for the light. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, and this is the main component of our refraction. Refraction, nothing but the light is enter from one medium to the another medium. Light changes its a path. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And here the light is a changes its a path. How we are estimated that paths? Yeah, there is a when the light is enter from rarer medium to the denser medium, rarer medium to the denser medium, the light velocity is a decreases. Light velocity is a decreases, and because of that it is comes towards the normal, which is drawn at incident point, which is drawn at incident point of light. In case the light is enter from rarer media to the denser medium to the rarer medium, light is go away from the normal. Yes, go away from the normal. Yes, why? Because light velocity increases. Light velocity is increases. Got my point or not? Light velocity is a increases. When it is enter from denser medium to the rarer medium. Based on this one also, we'll get the one law that one definition for the refraction. What is that? Light is enter from rarer medium to the denser medium. The light path is changes towards the normal, which is drawn at incident point. This is also called the refraction. Otherwise, the light is enter from denser medium to the rarer medium. The light ray go away from the normal, which is drawn at incident point. This is also called the refraction. In the both the cases, either maybe it is enter from the rarer media to the denser media, or may it is enter from the denser medium to the rarer media. Light path is changes because of velocity changes only. Already you know very well, velocity of light in the rarer media is greater than the velocity of light in the denser media. Clear or not, all the students? Yes, because of that only the light rays go away normal from the normal from the light go up, rays go away from the normal in the where in the rarer media. Okay, clear or not, all the students? I hope you clear. And in the ninth class, one more important concept also we are completed, that is only Snell law. What is the Snell law? What is the Snell law? Anyone? Sin I is equal to sin I by sin R is equal to n1 by n2 or v1 by sin I is by this law, I hope. Sin I by sin R is equal to V1 by V2 or N1 by N2. Clear or not, all the students? This is only we are taken as a our sin Snella. Snella is gives the relation about the what incident ray and as well as the refracted ray or incident angle and the refracted angle. I hope you got it. The Snella shows the information about the relation between a incident angle to the refraction angle. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And as well as there is a Snella is a provide one more information for us also, that is only refraction laws. That is only refraction laws. I hope you got it, this information. Yes, why we require the refraction laws? Yeah, that is for the explanation of the reflection purpose. For the explanation of the reflection purpose, we have the reflection laws. Can anyone give the reflection laws? What is the reflection laws? Yeah, the reflection phenomena is a coplanar. Refraction phenomena is a coplanar. Means what? All the changes are coming in a one plane only. That is the thing. And as well as angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. In the same way, that is what angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here there is a vibe after discussion of the light refraction property and Snella will get the what actually refraction laws also. Be concentrate on these things, Nana. Refraction law is says about the what actually, yes, every refraction phenomena should compulsory follow the Snell law. That is the first law of refraction. Every refraction phenomena should follow the Snell law. What is the Snell law? Sin I by sin R is equal to N2 by N1 or V1 by V2. What is the statement of Snell law? The ratios of sine angles of incidence and the refraction is equal to ratios of velocities of light rays in the two medias are relative refractive index value. Relative refractive index value. Sin I by sin R is equal to N2 by N1. That is what relative refractive index only of the two medias. Or otherwise, it is also gives the what? Velocity changes also. It is also gives the velocity changes. Velocity ratios. That is only the first thing. Like that angle I is equal to angle R we written na. Yes, that's why only it is also written as N1 sin I is equal to N2 sin R or sin I by sin R is equal to N2 by N1. There's so many ways we are expressed our whatever the relation is there between angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, like that only. Yes, sine angle of incidence is equal to, yes, sine angle of incidence is when we take the ratio between a sine angle of incidence and sine angle of refraction, these two things are equal to what? Equal to refractive indices ratios. That is the first statement of a refraction law. Second statement, at incident point, not at incidence plane, at incident point, all are nothing but incident point, normal and refraction rays. All are available at where? All are available at incident point. It's a correct or not? Yes, in that our whatever reflection phenomena we are taken, in that one what? Reflection law, refraction ray, reflection ray, incidence ray, normal, everything in the some one plane only. But it is not possible in refraction. Only possibility is what is there at incident point, all the rays are available. At incident point, all the rays are available. That is only second refraction law. By using these two laws only, we are going to class whatever the refraction of light at a plane surface, the same thing. Yes, you once you read it. Yes, what is the refraction? The refraction, one more thing. The refraction compulsory required what? Transparent media only. Clear or not, all of you? Transparent surfaces only required, compulsory. Otherwise, the refraction is not possible. Possibilities with the obstacle media, it is possible? No. Should compulsory what we require? Transparent media. Yes, for obstacle media, whatever the effect coming in the light, that is a reflection. For the transparent media purpose, whatever the changes are coming in the light, that is the refraction. Okay, got it or not? This is only about the today's information, and tomorrow onwards we are going to discuss interesting concept on the our refraction. Thank you, students. Bye, take care.